Hello, this is Nitesh, and you are watching Study with Nitesh. Okay, so today we are going to study about the laws of exponent. What? Laws of exponent. What are the laws? How to use that laws? Today we will learn in this session. Right? So, first laws are, look at the board. A by B to the power m multiplication a by b to the power n. Like if you have this type of expression in your question, so what you will do? So concentrate. Look at here. The both bases are the same. Look at here. This is a by b and again this is a by b. So both the bases are same and here it is a sign of multiplication between them. There is a sign of multiplication between them. So what we will do, we will just add the powers or exponents. This is also called powers or exponent. So we will add the exponent. So what it would be, look at here. So it become a by b to the power m plus n. You can see here the power just added together. We have added the power, right? So remember, whenever the bases are same and the multiplication sign is between them, so you have to just add the powers. Remember. Now time to second law. Look at again. Here it is. If you observe, 1 and 2 laws look like a same, right? But the difference are there is a division sign, right? In the first law there was a multiplication, but in second there is a division sign. So what we'll do right now, we will just subtract the powers or exponent. Understood? What we will do, we will just subtract the power. So how it would be look like? See here. A by b to the power m minus n. The powers just subtracted. We have subtracted the power. Understood? Okay. Time for third law. Look at here. A by b to the power m to the power n. Right? There is a back to back powers. Right? Here it is. M and again n. M and n in the powers. Right? They are in the powers. Right? So what we will do right now, we will just multiply the powers. In this type of law, we will just multiply the powers. It will become m multiplication n, right? A by b m multiplication n, right? Just clear? Okay. Now move to next one. Fourth one. A by b multiplied by c by d to the power n, right? So here it is. The bases are same. This is a by b and this is c by d. So base are different. So what we will do, just separate the terms. We will just separate the term. How will we separate the terms? Look at here. It becomes a by b to the power n and then again c by d to the power n. Clear? It was very easy. What we have done here, we have just separated the terms with the power n, right? Now look at the next one. A by b to the power minus n. Here you can see the exponent is in negative, right? This is minus n. So what we will do right now, we will just reciprocate the base. We will reciprocate the base here to make the power positive, right? So look at here. This becomes b by and power becomes positive. Reciprocating means what? Just change. Numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. This is called reciprocal, right? So this becomes b by to the power n. Okay. Now time for the sixth one. A by b to the power 0. Remember, power to any base, right? Power to any base or exponent to any base is 0. So answer is just simply 1. Just write down the 1. Nothing to think. Okay. Just remember, if there is a power of 0, to any base, right? So we will just write down the answer is 1. Clear? Okay. Hopefully you will get every law. I have told you in a very easy manner how to understand these laws, right? Now time for to take some questions, so that you can easily understand these laws, right? So we are going to take some question now. Okay, so there are some question for you. You can easily look at the board. There are 3 questions we are going to discuss now, right? The first question is 5 to the power minus 3. 5 to the power minus 3, right? So which law we can use here? Okay, so we have seen that whenever the power is in negative, whenever the power is in negative or exponent is in negative, so what we will do, we will just reciprocal the base. So what is the base here? The base is 5, right? The base is 5. So reciprocal of 5 is what? 1 by 5. Reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. Look at here, 1 by 5, and power becomes positive. I have already told you, right? I have written the reciprocal of 5, which is 1 by 5, and the power becomes 3. Now solve it. So 1 by 5 to the power 3 cube, it can be written like 1 cube and 5 cube. So 1 cube means what? 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. 5 cube means 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So it becomes 1 by 125. This is the answer, 1 upon 125. Understood what I have done here? Understood carefully, listen carefully, watch carefully, right? Now time for the next one. It is quite similar to the first one, right? What is the second one? 5 by 2 power minus 3, right? Again the same thing, the power is in negative, so what we will do, we will just reciprocate the base, which is 5 by 2, so it becomes 2 by 5. It becomes 2 by 5, and power is 3. It becomes now positive because we have reciprocated the base. Clear? Now, so 2 by 5 cube, again same thing, 2 cube, 5 cube, right? I am not going to write it in detail now. 2 cube. 2 cube means what? 2 multiplied by 2 becomes 4, multiplied by 2 becomes 8. So this is 8. And 5 cube again is same, so 125. Right? The second is done. Now time for the third one. What is third one? Look at here. 2 by 3 power cube, 2 by 3 power 2, and the sign is multiplication. Just remember the first law. Just remember the first law. It is applicable here. Okay. You can see here the base are same. 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. The base are same. So we will add the powers. What we will do? We will add the powers. We have already studied that. 2 by 3. 3 plus 2. We have added the power here. Remember 3 plus 2. Look at here. 3 plus 2. Why we have done this? Because the base are same and there is a multiplication sign. So we have added the power. Right? So it becomes 2 by 3 to the power 5. Clear? So it becomes 2 to the power 5 and 3 to the power 5. Again calculate this. 2 to the power 5 means 2 multiplied by 2 up to 5 times. Right? So it becomes 32. When you calculate, you will get 32. It is very easy. Okay? 3 to the power 5, again just calculate 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 up to 5 times. So it becomes 243. Right? So this was 3 questions we have seen here. We will take some more questions. So that you understand in a better way. Right? Okay, so there are few more questions for you. Okay, see here. 3 by 2 to the power minus 2 to the power 2. Okay, so we are seeing here there are back to back powers. Okay, So there is minus 2, then again 2. So by the law of exponents, we will just multiply the powers. What we will do? We will multiply the powers. So it becomes 3 by 2 minus 2 multiplied by 2. Clear? You just go back and then look at the law. The law was this. Okay? So 3 by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 becomes 4. So this is minus 4. Now see, the exponent is minus 4. To make it positive, we will reciprocal the base. So it becomes 2 by 3 power 4. 2 by 3 to the power 4. Right? Now solve this further. 2 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4. So it becomes 2 to the power 4 means 16. 3 to the power 4 means 81. 16 by 81 is your answer. Right? Now move to next one. The next one is just similar, but there is again another power. There is 3 powers back to back. 3 powers. 2, minus 2, minus 1. Right? Okay. So we will multiply the whole 3 powers here. Right? 2 multiply minus 2 and multiply by minus 1. Okay. So how it look like? See here. Minus 1 by 3. 2 multiply by minus 2 multiply by minus 1. Clear? Now we are going to multiply the powers. So this is 2 into 2, 4, 4 1 the 4, and minus becomes plus. So minus 1 by 3 to the power 4. Clear? How it comes? 4, 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 4 1 the 4, and minus becomes plus. Again, so there is no power, there is no negative terms here in exponent, so we will go further. Right? So what we will write? Minus 1 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4. So whatever the power of 1 is just 1. Right? So it becomes 1. 3 to the power 4 is 81. Clear? Hope you understanding the way I am doing the question. Right? Just practice the question. Right? You will be perfect. Okay? Just take one more question. Right? So not one, I have bring you two questions. Right? So look at the questions. What are the questions? 2 to the power minus 5 divide by 2 is to the power minus 2. Okay? Look at the question and what comes in your mind. If you understood clearly, you will think that the low number second comes here. Right? What was the rule number 6? The law number 2 is when the base is same. Right? When the base is same and the sign is division. The sign is division. What we will do? We will just subtract the powers. Right? We will just subtract the powers. Clear? Look at here. 2. So it becomes minus 5 minus 5 minus 2. I hope you understood. Right? I have subtracted the power minus 5 minus 2. So how it look like? 2 minus 5 minus plus 2. Minus 5 plus 2 becomes minus 3. So exponent is negative, we will reciprocate the base. So it becomes 1 by 2 cube. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2, right? Now solve further. 1 cube, 2 cube. So this is 1 and this is 2 cube. 2 cube means 8, right? So this is complete. Now last question. Last question based on the last rule. What was the last rule or law? The law was whenever the power is 0, whenever the power of any base is 0, so what will the result? The result is 1. The answer is 1, right? 2 by 3 to the power 0 is 1, right? So this was all the questions for you. We have learned today what was the law for the exponents, and we have just solved the question based on the laws, right? You have to do just practice. Take your question from notebook, practice it. If there is any doubt, you have to just mail me, or I have my WhatsApp number, you can WhatsApp me, right? So till now it is completed, right? This is for you. So now we have to wrap up this session. Hope you enjoyed. Meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.